Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Does anyone have any problem in understanding this chart that we created? Any doubts in this chart?
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, go ahead.
Uh, Ma'am, how to
This
create the
total sales
totals?
you
Uh,
yes, you asked me, no?
yes, ma'am.
So go to visualization over here, visualization pane. There
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can go to format visual,
Okay, ma'am.
general. Total sales, it would come as such, but if you want to give a title, you can give a title over here. Text. This text, you can give a title for this.
Okay,
Okay, in
ma'am.
case if you want to give a title, you can give it over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt you have?
Ma'am, and for order date ship mode, these are all like creating text box. Or,
This one order date and ship mode. This
yes,
visual is called slicer visual. You have a slicer visual over here.
okay, ma'am.
We are using this visual to create this slices, order date and ship mode.
Okay, ma'am.
So how will you do that test slide? Click on the slicer visual like this. Go to data. Which data did I use? One minute. Orders. So go to ship mode over here. It will come like this. Then you can go to format your visual, slicer settings. There you can make it as a drop down. And then you can reorder the size.
Okay,
Place it
ma'am.
over here. You can do some more formatting on this visual, like border. You can add borders over here. Oh, this is not the border. You have the border on the general settings, I guess. Visual border. On the general setting, FX, I have a option called as visual border. Enable that. You'll get the border for this one. And then you can just put a color for this. This is for values. General background color, you can add something. Background, it is white. If you make it as orange, it will turn into orange. And in this drop down, you will find first class, same day, second class, and standard class. You can
Okay.
select either one of this option. Suppose if you want to select more than one option, what you need to do is that you'll go to format your visual, click on this, go to format your visual, slicer settings. There is an option called as selection over here. Under
Hmm.
the selection, off this multiple select, just switch it off. Okay. There, if you go and select this option like first class and same day, if you want to select both these things together, then you will get it.
Okay, ma'am.
This is about the slices.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt for
1 second, ma'am. I will
this
share my
map
map.
visual you? So in this map visual, I have taken the country, city, and in the legend, I have taken the market, like market Africa, Asia, Pacific, Europe, and others I have. So I have taken the market on the legend. And then Bubble size, I have given it as sum of sales.
Hmm.
The sales value, no, just drag the sales value and place it over bubble size. So the
Okay, ma'am.
size, it will denote the how much sales has happened, it will denote.
Okay, ma'am.
That's it. Any other doubt?
Ma'am, I have doubt in that line chart, ma'am. This thing I drill down, but it's not coming like that for me. One second, ma'am.
I have copied this visual and let me paste it in a new page.
Okay, ma'am.
First drill up on this thing. You will get the
Hmm.
line chart like
Like,
this.
yes, ma'am.
So you have for the year 2012, 2013, 2014 and 2015, you have that. And you
Okay.
have the count of the customer ID over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you want to see for a particular year like 2014, you want to see means you have to click on this drill down. This
Okay.
drill down you have to click and select any point over here so that 2014, like January 2014, April 2014, July and October 2014 quarterly values will appear over here.
Hmm.
Because after year, we have quarter value over here on the order date.
Uh,
In the x-axis, if you observe, after year, we have the quarter value. So the
hmm.
quarter value will be shown. After
Hmm.
that, if you drill down once again, like if you want to drill down to that April month, if you want to drill down, you can see like April, May, June, that quarter value alone, it will show.
Hmm.
If you drill down again to this May value, it will show like May month alone, how it has performed.
Hmm.
So this is the first drill down option. Next drill down of this drill down, you turn it off and then go for the next drill down. So if you go next level in the hierarchy means it will take you to the quarterly level, like quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, it will take you.
Hmm.
Okay, because after
Hmm.
year we have the quarter. So again, if you drill down, it will go to the month wise. And
Hmm.
again, if you drill down, it will go to the day wise.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is like drilling down to the next level in the hierarchy. Year, quarter, month, day, in that order it will go.
Hmm.
But suppose if you want to drill down exactly like 2014, you want to see the quarterly values alone. If you want to drill down like that, click on this point, drill down, select 2014. Then you can use this drill down to go next level in the hierarchy. So you can see the June month detail, like month wise detail alone you can see. Or if
Hmm.
you want to go up, you can see the quarterly details alone.
Hmm.
So month wise detail, again, if you drill down, you will see day wise detail for that particular year which we have selected now. For that alone, it will show with the values.
Okay.
This one you remember. Go to next level
Okay.
in the hierarchy means year wise year data is there. So if I click once again, quarter data will be shown over here.
Okay.
And if I click this once again, month wise details will
Monthly.
be shown over here. Once
Okay.
again, if I click day wise details will be shown over here.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the second drill down option we have.
Okay.
So drill down option is there only when some hierarchy is created, like order date has year, quarter, month, and day as a hierarchy. So we have this hierarchy option over here. Suppose if I want to expand all down one level in the hierarchy, so what it means is that here now 2012, 2013, 2014, and 2015 detail is there. So I'm using this drill down. So if I just
Ma'am. Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, I had some network issue. Able to see my screen, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So I was explaining about this drill down option.
Drill down. Yes, ma'am.
So expand all down one level in the hierarchy means it will take you to the year and quarterly detail, year, quarter, and month details, year, quarter, month, and day details. To that level, we can drill down using this expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Okay. These are
Okay,
the
ma'am.
various hierarchy options available. This hierarchy option can be seen in other visuals also. So this is a matrix visual. In the matrix visual also, you can drill down like quarterly reports you can see over here. If we drill down once again, month-wise reports can be seen. If we drill down once again, day-wise report can be seen.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you drill down using this, it will expand like year and quarter, and what are the month under that quarter you can see. If you drill down again, day-wise detail, year, quarter, month, and day-wise detail can be seen.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah.
how I get first month of every quarter, sir? Using drill down.
So if suppose the chart is in this format, no, we don't want this legend for now. See, example, if the chart is in this format and you want to see the 2014 detail, so click on this drill down and then select 2014 and which month you want to see the detail. 2014, which month you want the detail. Let's suppose I clicked on quarter 3 over here. It shows July, August, and September detail. So if you want to see the July detail alone, you can click over here so that you can see the July detail alone. 2014, quarter 3, July. So you have to use this drill down. Do you get it? Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you get
Yes,
this
Yes,
ma'am.
one?
can you?
Ma'am. The doubt was actually asked by someone, ma'am. So that only.
Okay, okay. Because I'm having network issue today. Like I don't know whether my voice is audible or the screen is seen. That's why I'm asking, nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
Any other doubts from previous class? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Data transformation and all, is it clear for everyone? Data
Yeah, I
transformation,
have. Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
have doubts, ma'am.
tell me what doubt you have. What doubt you have?
Ma'am, where can we get these inputs and to apply these drills?
Can you share your screen and ask your doubt?
Yeah, okay.
Are you sharing your screen, Gopu?
Yeah, now is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, it's loading. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You can just recall today's ones, ma'am. And this.
You show me, like I'll
Ah,
explain from your screen. You show me
yeah, okay.
the Power BI screen where you have the doubt. You show me. I'll explain it.
Yeah, for this complete inputs, ma'am, from inputs where I can
You want to get data, or you want
yeah,
to go into a table. Get
okay.
data, it is there on the home tab. You have get data, no, on the home tab.
Yeah, yeah, okay. That inputs, ma'am, that input sheets and we need to give, right? Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it is visible. I don't get
Yeah.
like input mean what you're trying to
I
mean.
think he's asking
Can
for the
anyone help me
files, ma'am.
understand?
I think he's asking for the files. You send that files, no? I think he's asking that.
You
No,
have the
no,
data,
files
Gopu.
and some, sorry, ma'am.
You have the data, no? Get data, you have the data, no?
Yeah, 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 okay. Mm-hmm.
You have to connect with that data. Go to get data,
Yeah, okay.
get data, Excel workbook.
Yeah, got it.
Select the
This file
data.
I can give, right? Mhm.
You can select all the sheets over here and transform the data. Click on transform data.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Now we'll go into the Power Query editor.
Yeah, okay.
Here you have to do the transformation. Do you remember the transformation steps we saw?
Yeah, I know, ma'am, but currently I want to recollect. You can means you can.
So in this product
Okay.
category, use first
Okay.
row as header. Select that option. On the top, click on the table.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Which one, ma'am?
Don't go to the
I.
functions. Don't go to the
Yeah.
function effects. Don't click on that.
Okay.
Click on this and use first row as header option should be enabled, but it's not enabled.
First row, correct, ma'am?
Yeah. Now you click on the top ribbon, you have an option called as use first row as headers. On the top ribbon,
Top
home
ribbon.
top ribbon,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
there is one
First,
option after split column group by. After that, you have one option called as use first row as headers.
yeah, I got it, ma'am.
Now you got the category name and item name on the header, no, on the title.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is one thing that we are done on the transformation.
Okay.
Now this null value needs
Mhm.
to be filled everywhere. Okay. So how will you fill the null
Yeah. Okay.
value?
Need to remove that, right, ma'am? I mean,
No, you're not
uh-huh.
supposed to remove that. You need to map
Okay.
the values like under casual wear, we have the jeans Levi's, jeans denim, jeans Zara, and jeans Lega. So how will you fill
Okay.
that?
Mhm.
Right click on the table name,
Mhm.
category name, no, there no right click
Okay.
on it.
Mm.
There's an option called as
Yeah, got it, ma'am. Down,
fill
right?
down. Yeah.
Okay.
So you have
Mhm.
done the transformation over here. Whatever transformation you
Yeah.
have done, it is there on the applied steps on the right side.
Okay.
There is query settings, you have the applied steps, no?
Yeah, yeah, got it.
In this applied steps, you have all those.
Yeah, okay. These are all I can see in that Power BI, the different maps, right, ma'am? Different plots.
I don't get your question again.
Okay. I mean, this is
That's
the
not
complete steps or need to be.
this for this the product category for this table. This is the steps, complete steps.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, okay, ma'am. You can carry on today classes.
For other table also, you'll have to do the transformation. Data table, customer
Which
info
carry?
table, budget table also, we have to do
Okay.
the transformation.
Okay, ma'am.
Here also use the first row as header, give that. Sorry, I should have removed the first row. Fine. Give it once again. Fine. Yeah. You have the
Yeah.
promoted headers and you have the headers. Okay, fine. Now go into customer info table.
Okay.
Here again use first row as headers.
Then got it,
Now
ma'am.
you have to split column for Mr. and Kumaraguru if it is there. No, you have to split that column because Mr. cannot be used as the first letter when we are filtering
Okay.
out the data based on their names. No.
Okay.
So if it starts with K, we should find out means this word cannot be found out because it has the prefix M, Mr. in it. So it is difficult to find out. So we have to split the column and remove the Mr. and the name from it. So right click on
Okay.
customer name, right click over
Sorry,
the
ma'am.
customer name, right click over the
Yeah, yeah,
customer
okay.
name,
Got it, ma'am.
split column options there.
Yeah, yeah.
By delimiter, first one.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
So full stop
Left
is
to right.
there, no? After custom, you have full stop over there, right?
Yeah.
That full stop is the one which will help us to separate Mr. and Kumaraguru. Between Mr. and Kumaraguru, we have the dot, right? So that is used for splitting. Okay. So for each occurrence of the delimiter, we are going to split. That is the delimiter, the dot. Okay. Click OK now. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Click OK.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I think he has some network issue or something. Not able to hear me, I guess. Gopo, are you there?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Click
Need to give
OK.
okay or you need to modify, ma'am? Yeah.
Nothing
This
to
checkbox
modify.
you need to declare.
No, no, no.
Okay. Okay, got it, ma'am.
So you got it over here.
Split the
Similar
name.
way, customer ID also we need to split it. So we need to split
Okay.
the first three characters and then the numbers. So split
Okay.
column by number
Split
of
the limit
characters.
number of characters. Yeah, got it. Yeah, ma'am.
So we have three characters that needs to be split from the beginning. Beginning we have three characters, no? So number of
Yeah.
character is three, once as far left as possible. From the
Yeah,
left
okay,
side, we are
ma'am.
going to take the three characters and we are going to split it.
Okay.
So
Correct.
give OK. And then there is an the applied step you have changed type 3, no? There is
Yeah,
an
ma'am.
X mark next to that. Click on that X mark because we have the formatting issue over there on the customer ID too.
Correct.
Yeah. Now it will
Okay.
be in the previous format. Previously, whatever format it was there, it will be there in that format without the
Okay.
E plus 2, plus 12 and all that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now in the landline number, if you have to split it, you have to split based on the space value which is present between the numbers. So you have to go to split column delimiter.
Okay.
Instead of
Space, right?
plus, you have to give it as a space value. Press space
Okay.
bar on your keyboard.
And left to most right. Correct.
You have to choose the rightmost delimiter. From the right
Okay.
side, we are looking for the
Hmm.
space so that give
Okay.
OK.
I can check right.
Okay, so we
Okay.
have the numbers generated over here, landline numbers over here. Then next
Okay.
we have to split the ID proof. So
Hmm.
right click on it, split column by non-digit to digit.
Okay.
Now we are able to get the Aadhaar values over here. Aadhaar card, driving license, whatever number is there, no, that numbers we are able to get it separately on a column. So we can use this for the analysis. You can rename the
Yeah.
column ID proof 1 or ID proof 2 is there, no? You can rename that column by double clicking over it.
Okay. Hmm.
You can rename as per so that you will be using the values on your chart, no? It will be easy to use the values. So you can rename the column name.
Hmm. As per card name, right?
You can rename anyway.
Okay.
I
Okay, ma'am.
have a
So you
doubt
can
actually.
rename. Yeah, tell
Mhm.
me.
Uh, is there any option to clean up that Aadhaar card special characters, no? That equal
Special
to
characters. No, we couldn't remove that special characters.
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You can rename it anywhere you want. Whatever changes you have done, renamed columns, it is there on the applied steps. Can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
So you can just cross check that. Now go to budget table.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
Use first row as headers.
Got it. Okay.
Now right click over the location. Location heading is there, no? Right click on that.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Select as unpivot other columns. We need to get it in the form of attribute value pair. So there is an option called unpivot other columns.
Okay.
So we'll get it in this format, attribute value pair, which is easy for understanding and easy for creating the charts as well. So we have to transform in
Okay.
this format.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
So once all this transformation is done, on the left to top, you have close and apply option.
Yeah, got it.
Left to top. Yeah, close and apply.
Okay.
Little load, wait. Now this data, when it is transformed, you can use that to create the visualization. Usually any data given to you will have the transformation that needs to be done. So
Okay.
you have to do such transformation like you want to add a new column or split a column. You want to make the first row as header, pivoting and unpivoting. So
Okay.
whatever you want to do, you have to do on the transform data. Once the data is transformed, you come back to the visualization or the report view where you start
Okay.
creating your visuals. Okay.
Okay. Can
Majority
you
of the
give any
80%.
can you give any one chart, ma'am? Example chart here in the data.
In this data, I want to create a chart. Go to data,
Okay.
data table that is on the data pane, expand it. On the right side, you have the data, no?
Yeah, yeah, got it, ma'am. Yeah. Okay.
Data, expand that. That
Mm.
arrow mark is there next to
Yeah,
your
yeah, got it,
data,
ma'am.
no? Okay.
Item.
Item name based on the selling price.
Okay. We
Selling
need to
price.
add, right? selling.
No, you
Okay.
just click on
Okay.
the selling price.
Yeah. Okay.
Make it as a bar chart, fourth visual from the top. Not able to do?
Sorry, ma'am. I can get.
Click on that.
Could-
Click on that for visual.
Third one, right? Mhm.
Third or fourth one, anything. You're getting
Mm.
some visual or no?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
you're
it.
getting the visual. So this is how you
Okay.
create the chart from the data that is given to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Go back to report. There's an option on the left side, no, called as back to report. Yeah. Left to top heading, you have back to
Yeah.
report. Go back to that.
Sorry, ma'am. Still, I can't get. Back
Next
to
to sum of
report.
selling price, there is an option
Mm.
called as back to report. On the left side, left to top, heading it is there.
Yeah, yeah, I got it, ma'am. Mhm. Mm.
You have to pull in the edges to expand the page. Otherwise, it will go into focus mode. Focus mode is used for analyzing and getting insight about the data. So it will go into focus mode if you try to double click, or if you just, there is a three dot option, no, near next to that chart, whichever
Yeah.
you have created. So if you click
Mhm.
on that, it will go to focus mode.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, so if
What
you
I
go
need to
to
do, ma'am?
focus mode,
Mhm.
you have to come
Mhm.
back to report. Okay, so this is the report chart which we have created. Now you can go to the,
Mm. Yeah,
you
ma'am.
can, now you can go to the format your visual.
Okay. Where I can, ma'am?
Next in the visualization, build
Yeah,
visual,
yeah.
next to
Okay.
that there is
Mm.
an option called as format, no. Click
Yeah,
on
ma'am.
that.
Mhm. Mm.
Data
Okay.
labels, you can on that. At the
Yeah,
bottom
ma'am.
you have data labels,
Mhm.
no, on that.
Yeah,
So
okay.
you'll get the values, you get the values visible on the chart. Can you see
Yeah,
after
ma'am.
next to
Got
that
it.
bar, each bar chart, you have the
Mhm.
values visible. Expand the
Mm. Yeah,
data
ma'am.
labels option.
Data label absence. Okay. Mm.
There is an arrow mark next to data label, no? Expand that.
I got it, ma'am. That series all.
Yeah, yeah. So you can give the orientation as horizontal. Position, you
Okay.
can make it as inside end or outside end.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now it has come inside that bar chart, the visual, the values are coming inside the visual. Okay, is it clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so we have created the visual from the data that is given to us. This is the data transformation that we have seen.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt for anyone? Because I'm continuously getting messages from morning till night from your batch. That's why I'm repeating
Yeah.
everything.
Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Any doubt, you please ask me during this class. I'll explain it and then we'll go to the next topic in next class.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
please
ma'am. I
explain
think I got it, ma'am. Yeah.
Can you please explain what was that?
unemployed statistics, ma'am?
Can you share your screen? Gopu, you can share, stop sharing.
Yeah, got it.
Ma'am, some network issue, so I connect my phone. I cannot
Okay,
able to
okay.
share.
That's okay. Under which visual does it come? Like which chart? Do, office supplies or unemployed? Which one you are saying? Which one you wanted, Ma?
Ma'am, long-term employment statistic, last class homework. Can I show the chat?
Ma'am,
Yes.
last time your Google sheet is unemployment statistics.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone can share it. Share your screen, please.
Ma'am, can I share it?
Yes.
See my screen.
Sheet one alone is enough. No?
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes. Sheet one is enough. You can just click load. Expand that. Sheet one. Yeah. Create a area chart. Line chart or area chart. Anything you created.
Okay. Ma'am, this one.
Yeah. In that you take the period, that is the year value is there, no?
Yeah.
Checkbox, click on the checkbox, period. Unemployed.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
correct only. Just click on that.
Extend or just move to x-axis?
You can do it that way also, or you can click over that value also. It will automatically assign. After that, you can rearrange.
Okay.
Click on unemployed and click on the age.
Just to click this.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So scroll down on the visualization you have put on the x-axis, y-axis, no? Scroll down there.
Okay.
Now click on that visual and then scroll down.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Just
Only if you click on the visual, the values will appear.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, click somewhere on the
Ah,
empty area in the visual.
okay, ma'am. Remaining all I know, I did it. This one is my question.
Okay, it's okay. I'll make you do the entire thing. So you just click
Okay.
on this chart.
Okay. Slicer mode only will take, right, ma'am? Next.
Wait. Make it into area chart. Line chart we have created, no? You can just click on that visual chart that you have created, no? Click on that.
Okay.
Now change it into area chart, not stacked area. That next to line chart you have, no? Click on that.
Okay.
Now you get the values over here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Now you
Actually,
can
this.
add this. Yeah. After
Yeah.
resizing, you click on the empty area on the canvas area, empty area. Now you create a slicer visual. Next to KPI, you have the slicer. Yeah.
Yeah.
There,
Remaining all I know, actually.
gender, age, and period slicer can be created. Gender. One more slicer. Age, we can do it in the form of drop down or in this way. Anyway, it is okay. We had it in this format only, no? So it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then we need the
One.
period. That is the time duration we needed. So one more
Yeah.
slicer. Slicer is nothing but a filtering option. Similar to filters, we have the slicer. This is there as a visual itself, very handy and very easy to use when you create the report. You can dynamically filter out the values. So for that only we are using the slicer. In the slicer, you can put the period option.
Okay.
So you get the period, like from this period to this period, you can move the slider and it will affect the visual.
Okay, ma'am. When we use the transformation for data cleaning only, if I feel the data is any null values, then only we will go to transformation, right?
Yes, yes. When there is null value or any, now we saw what are the type of transformation we saw, no? We saw
Yeah.
different types of transformation. So you first have to sit and analyze the data. Once the data, raw data is given to you have to sit and analyze the data as what the transformation can be done. Or you need to check if there is no transformation, how the data is. Will I be able to create a report without any problem? To that extent, you have to ask it and analyze that data that is given to you. If suppose you want to create an extra column, you can add a column. You can write a custom column option. No, I showed it in last class, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Custom column option can be
Yes.
created.
Mm.
So then if you want to split a column, you can do that. You need to rename a column, or you need to change the format of the data. Let's suppose can you go to the table view? On the left side, we have three views, no? Report view, table view, and model view. Yeah. In the table view, under the home tab, go to transform data. Can you tell me where is the data type, or if I want to change the data type, how will I do it? What is the data type, where it is present, how to change it? Can anyone help her? Data type, what it is? No, no,
So,
no. This is correct only.
okay.
Can anyone help her? Data type means what it is, where it is present, how to change it. So we have this one, two, three, this date like symbol, ABC symbol next to the column here title. Can you see that? Click on that ABC next to gender. Gender heading is there, no?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. Mm.
That ABC, click on that ABC. This
Yeah,
is
okay.
data types. Okay.
Ah,
Decimal
yeah.
number, fixed decimal
Mm-mm.
number, whole number, percentage, data time, date, time, duration, text, true or false, binary. So these are all the data types that are present in Power BI. Okay, so you can choose the data type as what you want.
Mm.
So suppose if the data type is wrongly given, instead of giving text data type, they are given some decimal data type for this column, no? Then you can go and change it over here. Okay, if the data type is wrongly given, you can change it. Here, no change is needed. I'm telling you, okay?
Okay,
So
okay.
these are
Mm.
the type of changes you can do while transforming the data. So the data needs to be carefully observed and check where the data it is wrong or where some transformation is needed. You need to check that. Okay.
Mm. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I just to go back, close and apply.
Close and apply. Yeah, close and apply.
Yeah. Ma'am, how can back to come the colorful chart? All the layers will found.
Click on 65 years and over, click over that option you have selected.
Yeah. Which, okay, okay, ma'am. Yeah.
And the
Thank you.
slider you have moved it, no? You can
Mm-mm.
reslide.
Mm. Yeah, ma'am, I understood.
Whatever filters you are doing on the slicer, no, it will be there on the filters pane. Filter on this visual, you have gender, no?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
There it will
Mm.
be present.
Mm.
Filters pane, not on the visualization pane. There is a pane called as filters pane next to visualization.
Okay.
It is open, no, on one in the data pane, visualization pane, filter pane is open, no? Their gender is all it is showing over here. So
Yeah.
it means some filtering has been happening over here as well.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, ma'am.
So this will be affecting. So you can see the filters pane. If you want to remove that, you can remove the filters. Or else slicer settings, usually we'll remove it on the slicer itself by clicking on the men option you're selecting. So if you click on the men option once again, it will remove that filtering that has been done.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Shall I stop the screen, ma'am?
So yeah. Any other doubt for anyone? Nike, you asked some doubt, no?
I got I also unemployment statistics. She done it.
Unemployment statistics. This is the chart we have.
Yes, ma'am. Previously, she done this chart, ma'am.
This is all we have, no? Office supplies, you mean?
No, my
Other
time
table,
chart, ma'am.
another chart we created, no? Office supplies, you mean that? I think you asked from that only. That's why. This one you asked, no? Nike, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Or this chart only, no? You asked?
Ma'am, can you explain that in each of?
Yeah, this one drill down option I explained, no? The same drill down option is over here. So if you want it for September 2014 or this 2014 report alone, you want it, click on this drill down option, go to this point, and it will show like October, November, and December 2014. That is Q4 values will be shown over here. Again, if you want December 2014 value to be filtered out, just click on this December value. So the December values will be shown over here. Again, if you want it for a specific date, click on that specific date over here. So it will drill down and show the values. Like 28th December, what is the value you can see over here by drilling down on the first option. So we'll be having a chart like this. When you drill up entirely, if you drill up the chart, you will be having something like this over here. So if you want for 2015 report alone, you can drill down using this option. So click on 2015, you'll get Q1 and Q2 details. Now, if you want to drill down using this option, you can see for Q1 and Q2, what are the months we have. January, February, and March, April, May, and June. For Q2, we have no. For Q1, we'll have January, February, and March. And for Q2, we have April, May, and June, no. So that values will be present over here. So we have drilled down and seeing that values to the month level. Again, if we drill down, we can see it to the day level. Okay, so if you want to drill down on exact specific value, click on this drill down option and click over the bar chart that is present over here. And similarly for line chart also, the same thing applies. So if you want to click on any one point, This 2015 report, you just click on 2015. You will get the, if you just hover your mouse or keep your mouse over it, you can see that like 2015 quarter one. So January, February and March details are over here. Only 3 months details are over here. So if you again go to quarter one, means if I click on quarter one, drill down to quarter one, January, February and March. That is for that quarter, what are the reports present, you can see. Okay, if you drill down using this option, you can see the advanced drill down options. Or if you drill down only to February 2015, if you want to see the detail, click on February 2015 and you can see the drill down options of 2015 based on the year, month, year, quarter, month and day value. So in the heading itself, you'll get year, quarter, month and day value. Okay. So once you have completed seeing the visual, you can drill up to the original format. So the original visual will come over here. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts for anyone?
Operation.
Can you all put your name on the chat so that I can see that and mark the attendance? Just put your name on the chat. I will mark the attendance based on your name on the chat. Because it's time now. Please put your name on the chat so that I can mark the attendance. On the Meet chat itself, you can put on the, I mean, on the Teams chat itself, you can put it so that I can mark your attendance. So if you have any more doubt, just give me a message, either on the group or either personally, you can send me a message. I'll answer to your doubt. Tomorrow we'll proceed to the next part of the data transformation. We'll continue with that. Okay. So if you have doubt on the previous topic, just let me know. Put a message on the group or on my personal chat. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.